Okay.
It's third eye, dude. It's camera.
Wow.
Okay. So let's not miss your view. That's why I'm just recording it, buddy. Okay. You look very good. See how beautiful he is. Oh, it fell down.
College.
1 second, dude. I'll give you one more. Come.
ಅದೇ ವರ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ
Come. Kavach brush fell down. Fell down. He's making it fall down. Okay. Let's see one more thing. He will now fly from there to the window. Okay, you can just sit here also. He will fly on you and then just bend little bit. Buddy, you can fly on him. You can fly on him and then go there. Go. You want to go? Sorry, go. He will not eat you. No. Go far. You are very new to him, no? That's right. Come, buddy. Where did you put the biscuit? Come on. I'll take you off. You can't bite my nails. Come. Come. It's okay. You have this. You're actually cool, man. You look very cute, huh?
Hello, Sana. Hello.
Can you say hello? We'll clap for you. Can you say? I am recording actually.
Hello, Sana.
Will you say hello, buddy?
Hello, Sana.
Robin. Will you say hello?
Hello, Sana. Hello.
Will you say hello? I am recording for you. You say hello, it will be captured. Okay? If you say hello, I'll capture it.
Hello, Robin.
Ring neck it is called. This version of parrot is called ring neck. It has a ring around the neck, kind of. That's right. It's an omnivorous, dude. No, it will eat non-veg also. Parrot also. All chicken, mutton, everything it will eat. So for it, this flesh is what it matters. It will not know whether it is chicken, mutton. Wait. Just look at me. Just give us a pose. Give us a good pose. You are eating very fast. Give that, dude. One more. He's just biting it as if I have given him some homework to just rip it off. No? See now, he'll do one thing. He'll again bite it. Okay. As if I have given some homework. He's not doing anything out of it. He's just ripping it off. That's all. His homework is finished. That's all.
மேல இதோ இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டாச்சு மாதிரி ஆச்சு. Wow. Amazing.
What? You want some more? I'll give you some more.
Like,
You want to say hello, dude? Robin, you want to say hello? If you put all that down, you want to do what? You want to go down and eat something? Huh? You don't want to be... Come. Hey, something is calling, man. Maybe your family.
இதோ இல்ல
No, it's not parrot. It's some eagle, I guess.
small eagle.
Hey, buddy, you are safe with us, huh? Don't worry. Okay. I can take you here to one more moringa leaf. Okay. You can have this also if you want. I can feed you everything here. If you want, which one you choose. You want to come home, buddy? You want to come home? Come home. You like us, buddy? You like us? You like us? Give a like on Health Freaks page, huh? On Facebook, and also on Google if you like us. Correct? Correct or wrong? Watch our videos, huh? Okay. And also subscribe our channel, okay, buddy? Okay, Robin. If you say hello, hi, how are you, we'll definitely appreciate you. Okay. Wow, Robin did a great job. Like that. You want to say hello? You want to talk?
சாப்பிடு போது பேசக்கூடாது.
Yeah. While having food, no talking. He is very serious. Yeah, buddy. Okay, I understand your dedication towards food. It's okay. You know, when I gave him some vegetables, biscuit, so many other things, rice, corn. He chose everything equally. Balanced diet he has. Only rice he will not have, only corn he will not have. He will have a balanced diet. Then next afternoon he had kavach fresh, little with biscuit and all. So he must be feeling more immune now. See, even parrots, they know what these things do. And now he is having moringa. Moringa stem. You want to come near? If you say hello, I will take you near. You want to come near the camera, then you need to say hello, right? It's getting recorded, right, buddy? If you say hello, I can at least tell someone, okay, this is how you can make a parrot talk. You're not even telling hello, buddy. You're so busy eating, huh? And you're coming near the camera, as if you want to kiss the camera. See?
Hello. Hello, Robin.
See, he's focusing his lens, huh? He's looking at us. He's looking at you now.
Robin.
Okay, it's a very nice lens he has.
Robin. Hi, Sunny. Hello. Hello, Sunny. Hello. Hi. ரெண்டுல ஏதாவது ஒன்று. Hi, Sunny. Hi. சொல்லு. ஏன் உனக்கு இங்க இருக்கிறது பிடிக்கலையா? போணுமா?
From morning he is here only, no? That's why he is like now looking at the camera. He wants to kiss the camera or he wants to bite the camera, I don't know. Why you are taking my record, huh? See, he's biting the camera now. Oh, what is this, man? What I should be doing? Tell me. This is camera, buddy. This is camera. Why you are biting? Huh?
Oh no,
Come, I'll give you some more. Okay, I'm not concentrating him. That's why he is biting the camera and asking something to eat. You should concentrate on him all the time. He's an attention seeker, huh? Very bad boy. He doesn't even say hello, buddy.
like that.
See, our girls came. Okay, you just say hello to them at least. What's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. What's your name?
Jessica.
Okay, say hello to Rachel and Jessica, buddy. Hello, Rachel. Hello, Jessica. No, I'm sorry, I'm busy eating. I will not talk while eating. That's what he is telling. Okay. So nice focus. Okay, let me stop the recording, dude. I'll take a selfie with them. Okay, so no, here with the parrots. Why they are running? It's okay.
Hi, guy.
Hey buddy, your eye lens is very good, man. I want to make some research on this, huh? Okay, how do I make it? See, this is how I zoomed in. Okay, very nice eye lens you have, and that too you nicely focus. See, I am just zooming in the lens. Wait, buddy, wait. You are coming and eating the camera. That is because I am not concentrating on you. I am just concentrating on the phone. That's why. Okay, take. You want to see me? That's why you want to come near the camera. Huh? Hey, make sounds, buddy. You are making very nice sounds. You are making. Like that he makes. Okay, buddy. I'll give it. Okay. He wants me to feed, or else he will not eat. So why you are not feeding me? Why you are just holding the camera. Just keep the camera aside and concentrate on me. That's what he is telling.
Nah.
Now I'll give him new one. Ah,
Yay. Kala pa ya.
hey, I have not given you some homework to, rip the stem apart. I don't know what you are eating. Inside the stem, you are eating something. I think you are a very young boy. You are feeling some itchiness in the teether, kind of. I don't know. I have to. He's simply biting continuously.
Idenna sabama.
He will eat all kind of vegetables, raw vegetables, cooked vegetables. You want more? He needs corn now. Hey buddies, for some time you be inside the house. Okay, I'll give you the corn if possible. I'll cook it. Sorry. I'm just zooming in the eyeball of us. So cute.
Yadaki ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ಚಿನ.
Yeah, it is like that.
Hey, buddy.
Cool. Cool. Okay. We'll clap for you. Oh, cool. Very good, Robin. Oh, you did your job, man. Very good. Next, you have one more task. Okay, you need to talk to us. Okay, stop eating.
Hold.
Stop eating. Talk to us. Say hello at least.
Hello.
Hello. Buddy, say hello.
Hello, சொல்லு hello.
I think you
Only
need
hello.
one more 2-3 days training.
அது பசி எடுத்துக்கணும்.
You are very hungry, huh? Hungry man. From morning I am feeding you, huh? Buddy? He's a very small kid, I guess. So he needs constant feeding. Robin, is it so? You are coming near the camera. Okay, he wants to eat the camera. Oh, man.
உங்களை பார்க்கணும்.
Don't eat the camera, huh? You want to eat the camera? He is just cleaning his beak.
ராபின் சாப்பிட்டு இருந்தாலும் போதும் இங்க பாருங்க.
You are very cool, dude.
ஹலோ.
Okay, give him something, no? Get him some, what do you say? Maybe some moringa or some nuts and seeds. He must be tired, I thought, but he's a toddler, I guess. You want to come near the camera? You want to come near the camera? You want to one more? Make the same sound again. Kyo.
ஹலோ சொல்லு எல்லாருக்கும் ஹலோ.
Hello.
ஹலோ சொல்லு hello.
Hey.
ஹலோ
Hello.
சொல்லு. ஹலோ
Hello.
சொன்னாதான்.
You can say hello. You're eating what, man? You're eating what?
இந்தா.
You're eating the camera. Hello. He is some bike freak, I guess. Okay, don't worry, huh? He went. Cake buddy. Mm-hmm. Mm. Good.
Hello, சொல்லு.
You will not tell hello.
இப்போ ஏதோ சவுண்ட் வந்துச்சு. ஹலோ சொல்ல மாட்டியா? யாருக்குமே சொல்ல மாட்டியா? ஹலோ ஹலோ சொல்லு.
Careful, careful. Hey, make some sounds, dude. Let me hear.
ரபின்
Will appreciate for that. Wow, cool, cool, cool.
நீ ஹலோ சொன்னா
Nice sounds he makes, huh? Cool, man. Okay. He is watching our sounds, huh? Wait. Now he wants to fly away, huh? He wants to fly away. But still, I want. Huh? It's over. You have some more. He needs some more. Hold it. I'll get him. Buddy, wait, dude. Wait. Wait, dude. Wait. Wait. A nice pose you give, huh? You become like a statue sometimes. Come, you want to stand on me? Come.